today I watched shots in which that ma'am was saying some tips so that we can learn English too. So hi, this is Arshita and this is day 26 of speaking English series, and in today's video we will be discussing something. Before that, you should watch this video. So yeah, let's watch it together and we will gather. After that, we'll discuss in that as well.
इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए क्या 3 चीजें बताएंगे? अगर ये 3 चीजें आप करते हैं तो आप बेहतर
एक तो ग्राम, दूसरा डे टू यूज का वोकैबुलरी है वो, तीसरा याद रखिएगा फर्स्ट 3 मंथ्स आपको हर चीज सोचना पड़ेगा इंग्लिश में। अगर वो बैठा है तो ये मैं इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलूं, मुझे एक गिलास पानी चाहिए, इंग्लिश में मैं कैसे बोलूं, हमेशा दिमाग में सेंटेंस का स्ट्रक्चर चलते रहे।
So I hope you know her very well, that she is none other than Neetu ma'am. And she was saying in a podcast that if you want to learn English, then you should do 3 things. Right. So first thing was, what was that? First one is grammar. Grammar is very much important. Now, second one, that is vocabulary. So vocabulary plays an important role, I can say, while speaking, because if you have no vocabularies, then how will you be able to speak? Now, third one, that is, you should think in English on a daily basis, right? So today I will be discussing about 3 things only. That is, one, grammar, second one, that is vocabulary, and third one, that is how you can think, right? So I hope you have heard about her. And yes, definitely, wait a minute. So I will add on the screen that I will add that clip on the screen, and you should definitely try to understand that how important is that to, if you are watching me, like I'm standing here and talking to you people about it, so it doesn't mean I have a script. I have no script. If you want proof, then definitely I'll give you, and I will attach here, I will overlay that. So I will show you what I have behind in it. And right, because I know some people thought that I am, where is dual view? Yeah, I am just I have a script here, and I just maybe you will think about it. So you can see here is nothing, only my phone. I'm recording, and here is nothing, right? So this video is not at all scripted. It is actually very normal. So I have recorded it, and I will overlay that video on my screen. So I was saying that grammar, I will be telling you about grammar, that grammar, what you have to learn. Like, you have to learn tense, a very basic thing, that is tense, future tense, present tense, past tense. In past tense, you have 4 type. Like, first one is simple past tense, past perfect, past continuous, past perfect continuous, like that. Present and future has, right? Also, I will always say that models are also important, because whenever we say we can do this, we will be doing this. Okay. Now, third, that is after model, subject verb agreement is there, because when you speak English, you need subject verb agreement. Like, she is speaking English, the subject should be agree with the verb. So definitely subject verb agreement, or you can say subject verb concord. Okay. Now, fourth, that is determiners, you can say articles, parts of speech, like that. These things are very important when it comes to speaking English, because you should be clear in these things. Like, grammar should be clear when you are speaking English for the first time. I know some people has the capability to memorize it very properly, but if you are not knowing the basic things, how will you be able to speak properly, right? You will be not able to make the sentences without grammar. So grammar are very important. Grammar is very important, actually, and you should consider, if you are making mistakes in grammar, that is okay, but you should at least know about grammar, that this is the tense, and I should speak like this. Like, if I'm saying to people in past tense, then I will say, I went to the market for buying vegetables. I was not aware of people that they will they will tell me about these things. And also, the market was very crowded. So these sentences are in past tense. Now, present tense, how will you say? oh, I'm standing and I'm recording videos right now, and I used to, I use pen for my writing, contents. I just love speaking English. That is present tense. Now, when it comes to future tense, oh, I will go to that place for my admission, and also I will, I will play tomorrow with you people, and I will, record something else so that it will help. It will be helpful for you, like that only. Okay, so you should know about very basic thing, that is grammar. Grammar is very important. Now, second thing, that is, I can say, vocabulary. Vocabulary is very important. Vocabs should be in your mind, actually, when you are saying that, okay, that is fabulous. So when you increase your vocabulary, you people in front of you get impressed, and people will be like, yes, she's knowing. You don't need to prove anything, but you should know, because whenever you are presenting in front of something, you should use different words, like that. Okay, so you should definitely consider to have vocabulary in diaries or anything. I'm saying to you that if the person is if a person is preparing for SSC, for SSC CUET, they need vocabulary, because in English they need vocabulary, so they write down all the vocabulary in a copy, and on a daily basis they revise. Because of that reason, their vocabularies get increased, and with that they will be able to use that vocabulary on a daily basis, right? So definitely vocabulary is very important. When two words also join together, like breakfast and lunch, we always call it brunch. If we are not having breakfast and we are not having lunch, then we when we skip the breakfast, then we call them brunch together. So this is also come from vocabulary, that if you know, right? Now, third thing, that is thinking in English. It is very important that you are thinking everything in English on a daily basis, even if your language is different, even if your dialect is different. Because I am the person who speaks Hindi very well, Hindi, and on a daily basis I always speak Hindi with people, with my family, with my siblings and everyone, right? So when you adapt something new, I know there that is difficult, but you should adapt on a daily basis. Like if someone is speaking, then you should tell them, that person is recording video, that person is speaking in front of camera, like that. You should think about, I know on first day you will think like, oh, actually my habit has changed because of my practice, so I'm saying in Hindi right now. Oh, वो पेड़ नारियल का है. So how will we say in English that tree is of coconut? That is the coconut tree, like that. If someone is sitting, then you will say, oh, that person is sitting there. And if the agar aapke if a person is playing surrounding around you, then definitely you say, oh, that child is playing cricket, like that. You should think in English. In any day, any hour, any second, you should think in English. Nowadays I'm not able to think in Hindi, because I am adapting English only. I'm adapting English in my mind. When I speak Hindi, I speak only Hindi, but when I speak English, I never thought in Hindi. When I speak English on a daily basis, I don't think in Hindi. Definitely you will be able to watch in me that, and you will be able to know that how I am improving day by day, and I'm able to speak it properly, but slowly, at the same time very confidently. And I have eye contact as well with you, because when you are you have no eye contact, then definitely that is that means you have low confidence. So definitely, so yeah, these three things are very important. You should know about it. And today's video was all about these three things, and you should consider subscribing for this, for new things, for new I can say, for new for new method of speaking English, how can you adapt English like that? So you should consider subscribing. So yeah, thank you so much for watching it. I hope this video helped you. And also, I'm not presenting in front of you with my clothes, because I'm not interested in changing clothes, bro, because I just love wearing my clothes. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helped you, and now you will be able to speak English slowly. If you have joined me from a very long time, like from 25 days, then definitely you will be able to see in you that how you are improving English day by day and how it is good. So yeah, thank you so much for watching it. I hope you are doing well, you are speaking well. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. So thank you, and subscribe to this channel for the 100 days vlogging challenge. So yeah, thank you. Maybe from tomorrow I will add it. Thank you. Bye bye.